Good morning, everybody. It is a Thursday already. It is the 26th of September. We were at 30 minutes. We got a little bit of a hurricane on the west coast coming up through the Gulf of Mexico, heading over to Tallahassee to say hello at a category, I think 3. So thoughts and prayers to them. And we're just gonna get a lot of rain and some wind. Nothing outside. Took the pups out back to go to the bathroom, and just some wind, no rain. So we're gonna go outside for a walk, and then we're gonna do the run. Just a normal day. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon. Here we are, pups. Pretty calm. Not even wind. It's like a normal day. You see the clouds. Very cloudy. A little bit of wind. I'm gonna step off. Week 24, day 2. Pups. Let's go get it. This road is very quiet now. There's no school today due to the hurricane. Crossing over Rebecca. Get these pups over down to Clay. Down Clay. Got the pup. Got the Ringo. Where are those hurricane gangs at? Come on now. Breeze feels really nice. The cows are back, but they're just not over by the gate. Because Mr. Ringo spooks them up. Where's your good boy? Where's your good girl? Where's your good girl? Good girl. Good boy. There you go. Very good. Good pups. 1.14. The classic distance. Hope you're ready for some food, some water. Let's go. Good morning. I got to do the pre-run video here in the garage with a little bit of light. Or maybe I'll go over by the street light. There you go. A little bit better. So yeah, a little bit of breeze in the air. It's a lot quieter. No cars with no school. Hear the sounds of the crickets. So it should be a nice peaceful run. Be a 30-minute out and back. I'll see you guys soon.
Study Tie is back. We have gone 23 and a half weeks with no rain. I mean, that's crazy. I've escaped maybe 2 hurricanes. So it's a great run. Started off slow, picked up pace towards the last mile, and legs are feeling great. Got the New Balance Balos on. Got that cush. Got that cushion. Kush gang, where you at? Where you at? So yeah, feeling real good. The wind was whipping on the way there. It was right on my face, so that kind of forced me to slow down. And on the way back, I had it on my back. So Study Tie was turbo Thursday and up. So we're gonna go say hi to the pups and enjoy the rest of the day. Pup, here's a pup to greet me. There's a pup. Is there a Ringo? Oh, you better believe it. You better believe it, there's a Ringo in there. You better believe it, buddy. Got the fox. Got the fox. Let's come on, pup. There they go. Yeah, so it was a great little hurricane run of 2024, and we're one day closer to Desiree David coming home. She's coming home, my Desiree Rose. Little baby, he misses her so much. I'll post all the stats right up there. Again, thank you everybody for watching, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. Stay strong, keep running. Life's good. Thank you so much.